Hi guys, and welcome back to Fab Food. Today we're going to be making some fairy cakes. If you want to figure out how to make these, the link will be in the description below. First you're going to turn your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. First what you're going to do is you're going to put your baking powder and your self-raising flour into a sieve, and you're going to sieve it into your bowl. Next what we're going to do is we're going to beat our eggs. We're going to add our butter, sugar and vanilla into our flour and baking powder bowl. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix it up, and if it drops off the spoon easily then it's ready. Next what we're going to do is we're going to put our cake cases into our tray. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put 1 teaspoon of our mixture in each cupcake case. But I thought it was meant to make 24. Wow, it worked. Now we're going to put them in the oven for 20 minutes. Now for the best bit, we're going to find out how they look. No fairy cake is complete without icing. If you want to find how to make the best icing ever, the link will be in the description below. This has been Fab Food making you some fairy cakes. Please consider subscribing and turning that notification bell on. Don't forget to like the video, comment and share.